So in this video, you'll learn how to add the device care icon to the app screen on your Samsung Galaxy A06. So begin by opening the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Device Care. From here, you now want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and you want to select Settings. And in your device care settings, you should see Show Device Care on App Screen. So you want to tap on the toggle to enable that. And now you'll notice that when you go to your app screen, you can see Device Care should have appeared like that. So now you can close the Settings app, and whenever you want to access your device care settings, you don't need to go all the way to your Settings app. You can just look for this app icon and tap on it to access those settings quickly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.